And in a big blow to the Congress party and to the entire INDI when it comes to the national capital, just days before polling, Delhi Congress President Arvinder Singh Lavli has resigned from his post. While quitting from the position, Arvinder Singh Lavli teared into the Congress for forming an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. He alleges the Aam Aadmi Party's sole purpose has been to defame the Congress of corruption when in fact their own netas are sitting in jail on corruption charges. Arvinder Singh Lavli also lamented that there are differences with Delhi Congress General Secretary in charge, and on several occasions he has handicapped the party when it comes to decision-making capabilities. Now, remember, quipping over the halchal inside the Congress, the BJP's mocked the alliance, says their own netas are showing mirror to the Congress party. Taking the attack further, BJP in fact says that giving ticket to Kanhaiya Kumar shows the tukde-tukde mindset of the Congress party.
हालांकि ये कांग्रेस का आंतरिक विषय है, परंतु एक तरफ आप देख सकते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एक मिशन और विजन वाली पार्टी और अलायंस है, और दूसरी तरफ एक ऐसा अलायंस है और एक ऐसी पार्टी कांग्रेस पार्टी है जिसके भीतर ही डिवीजन है, कंफ्यूजन है और ये टुकड़े टुकड़े अलायंस है। आज जिस प्रकार से अरविंदर लवली जी ने सारी बातें स्पष्ट कर दी है, पहले तो दिल्ली से ऐसे प्रत्याशियों को उतारना जिनका ना दिल्ली से कोई वास्ता था ना उनकी पार्टी से कोई वास्ता था, इसीलिए कन्हैया कुमार से और उदित राज से नाराज होकर कई कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता जो बचे कुचे थे वो सड़कों पर थे।
This is Congress internal problem. Why they have resigned is up to Mr. Lavli. But it was quite evident that they were not happy. Congress कार्यकर्ता were not happy with the coalition seats which have been given to both Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. Congress was the one who was claiming that they have exposes that liquor scam in Delhi. Ajay Makhan has clearly stated that he was the one who has exposed and given the first complaint to for the liquor scam.
So you've heard it from the BJP. Remember, the BJP took to objection the Congress party's decision to field Kanhaiya Kumar earlier as well when the announcement first came in. But there are reactions not just coming in from the BJP that should worry the Congress. Congress Neta also has come out to caution the party high command. Sandeep Dikshit of the Congress says that they should treat the matter with utmost sincerity.
बात हुई है, बहुत स्पष्ट रूप से उनके मन में बहुत पीड़ा है और कुछ चीज़ों को लेकर आंदोलित थे। उनको लगता है कि पिछले महीने 2 महीने में जिस तरीके से जो बात हुई, मैंने ठीक से वो की, लेकिन एक व्यक्तिगत पीड़ा है, एक कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष होके और एक कांग्रेस का कार्यकर्ता होके, और मुझे लगता है कि जो बातें उन्होंने कही हैं उनकी पीड़ा, इस पर गंभीरता से ध्यान जरूर देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मैंने तो सबसे पहले चांदनी चौक के लिए एक प्रेफरेंस दिया था, बाकी वो तो पार्टी जो निर्णय लेती है।
Let me go across to Sabyasachi joining us with more details. Sabyasachi, what have you been able to pick up the last few hours since we first broke the story here on Times? Now, Arvinder Singh Lavli so far, was seen standing in solidarity with Aam Aadmi Party in times of crisis, like the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. But now he comes out to say that all of that support that he'd shown to the alliance partner, the Aam Aadmi Party, was under pressure.
Well, absolutely. See, time and again, Arvinder Singh Lavli has come out and extended his support to the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, Arvinder Singh Lavli, Sandeep Dikshit, all of them went to Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Now, with the letter that he has sent out to Mallikarjun Kharge, now he says that all of this was done under pressure. Now, since morning, some of the Congress leaders like Sandeep Dikshit, Subhash Chopra, who's the chairman of the Congress Coordination Committee between the Congress and the AAP, he was also here. Now they have to say that Arvinder Singh Lavli has resigned from the post of the DPCC president, but he is still a member of the Congress party. See, the party high command is yet to take a decision regarding it, but we are clearly seeing that on one hand, the Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that the northwest seat could be given to Arvinder Singh Lovely. Now, to these rumors, Lovely said that he is not going to leave the Congress party. He's going to be a part of the Congress party. Today at around 4 p.m. he's going to address a press conference where he is going to speak on this particular issue. But several problems that he has mentioned surrounding the Delhi in charge, saying that the Delhi in charge has completely handicapped the DPCC. Around 150 block presidents have not been appointed by the Congress party. The DPCC president has not been given any sort of power to take any decision, and before declaring the name of Udit Raj and Kanhaiya Kumar, there was no consultation done. In the meeting also there was quite a dispute that broke out between Deepak Bavaria and Sandeep Dixit, but on one hand where Lovely was trying to diffuse the situation,
well,
but on the other hand,
his views as per him.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।